Hey, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here. Hope you're keeping well, hope you're keeping great, hope you're excited, hope you're ready to hear what I've got to share with you in this video, because what I'm going to share with you is the truth, and I don't know if you can handle the truth. So what I want you to do, my friend, is leave me a comment below, and if you're ready, if you can handle the truth, let me know in the comments below, right below. I can handle the truth. Alright, so what I share with you in this here is your perfect day exercise. And I want to ask you the question of what is your perfect day. Okay, and we're going to be going a little bit over the place, but I'm going to zone it in and I'm going to give it straight to the point. And this is a first video of a 7 video series, and this is really setting the stage for the entire 7 videos that are coming up, and I might have a few bonus videos as well. And this is basically what I'm calling it is the Limitless Lifestyle Way, and this is day 1, video 1. Okay, and it's called your perfect day exercise, right? So this is part 1 of the Limitless Lifestyle business, like I says there, and it's the Limitless Lifestyle Way. So this is really important, because if you're wanting, considering, or even thinking about doing anything online, you've got to understand why you're actually wanting to do it. Because if you want to do something online, you know, you might be like thinking, you know, you want to do it for money at the end of the day, or you want to do you want to build this business, your goal is to build this business. But really, my friend, the truth is, the matter is, that shouldn't be your goal, that shouldn't be why you're doing these things. Do you know what I mean? The reason why you're doing it is what I'm going to share with you in this video, and it's really important exercise, and I hope you're ready for what I'm about to share with you. Okay, so first I'm going to ask you, what does your perfect day look like? Okay, because it's really important to visualize this type of thing, because if you don't know what you're going after, it's kind of hard to go after that thing, and it's kind of hard to get motivated to take the actions you need to take to do what you need to do, because you might be like, you don't have a vision or a goal, and you're like, I don't see the point in doing this here. Now I'm going to share you something really profound in this video, my friend, so I hope that you're ready for it, and I hope I don't hurt your feelings. Okay, I don't mean to. If I do, but I don't mean to. Okay, so let's keep going here. So I want you to think like you have no limits. Okay, there's no limits. I want you just to imagine you have an unlimited amount of money. Okay, when you're thinking about your perfect day, you have unlimited amount of resources. Okay, you've got no limits whatsoever. And just imagine, okay, what would 3 things in your perfect day look like? Okay, just imagine what that would be like. What would you be doing? Who would you be with? Where would you be going? What things, activities would you be doing? What would you have? What sort of impact would you be having on people? And things like this here, you want to write down 3 things, and I'll give you a minute if you want to grab a pen and paper and you want to write down, and just think like, no limits. You don't have any limits on your money. No limits on resources. You can do whatever you want, with who you want, wherever you want, whenever you want, my friend. Okay, and I want you to write down these 3 things, because nothing else what I'm going to share with you in these next 7 videos is going to work if you don't do this exercise. So it's really important, my friend, that you sit and you think about this here, because this is going to be the driving factor of your life and everything that we're going to cover. You can go ahead and do whatever you want, my friend, and never pick up on this idea, but my friend, I don't think you'll make as much progress as if you'd actually decided what your perfect day looked like. Okay, so I just want you to imagine that there, okay, and write them down, okay, because I've already done this for myself, and what I wrote down here was a few ideas, kind of what I wrote down. Now I know that these are for me, and you probably don't really give a damn about what my goals are or anything like that, but really this is for you, my friend, and it's important that you write down what your perfect day is like. Okay, so here are some of the things that I wrote down. Okay, and these are little things that really get me sort of motivated, and kind of like my little vision and little goals that I'm working towards. Okay, so one of them is driving a black Bentley to the coffee shop for breakfast after the gym. Okay, then number 2 for me was choosing between the next adventure or mastermind. Okay, then number 3 of my perfect day was waking up and going to sleep whenever I want, with who I want, whenever I want. Okay, my friends, so these were just 3 ideas that I just thrown out there. For me, that's what I wrote down, but you're going to have your own things, and They can be whatever you want, my friend, okay? But I just encourage you to have no limits. Don't think like, oh, if I did this, this, and this, I could do this. Just imagine what your dream perfect day would be like, and you just write down 3 things, okay? Because I'm going to share something with you so profound in this video, and you might get upset, and hopefully you don't. Hopefully you get this idea, okay? Now I'm going to leave a little goal card for you below, and what you can do is you can print it out, or you can create your own goal card, and you want to write this down. You just want to write it down on a bit of paper. It doesn't matter where you get the bit of paper or the bit of card, but write down those 3 things on your goal card, okay? And you want to get it laminated, okay? And you want to decide on an end date. Now, whether that end date is a week from now, 2 weeks from now, a month from now, a year from now, 3 years from now, encouraging you to think big, but think of a reasonable end date of when you could possibly achieve it. Now, most of the time, if your goals are super big, you might not reach them in that required time, but you never ever change the goal, okay? All you do is you increase activity on the goal, so you work more on the goal to get towards it, and you extend the deadline, okay? So you want to write down these 3 things on your goal card, okay? And you will have achieved your perfect day. So your perfect day, and you're going to reinforce that, your goals, with your perfect day, okay? So it's something that you can work towards, okay? And the goal isn't necessarily to build what we're going to be building in these next 7 videos, and what we're going to be covering in these next 9 videos and things like that there. It's not necessarily the goal to finish the program, but the goal really is the lifestyle that you want to create, okay? Because you don't really want to build a business at the end of the day, my friend. I don't think anybody really wants to build a business. The reason why possibly people build a business is for the lifestyle that they can get being an entrepreneur and building something and creating unlimited amounts of money. That comes with a lifestyle. Whenever you can do stuff like that there, you can get elite lifestyle choices, and that's what most people don't have, my friend. And we're going to share this in this video, okay? So this is setting the stage for everything that we're going to be covering in these next 7 videos coming up, okay? And I'm going to help you to see the reasons why you should take action on things I'm going to share with you, okay? So look, I could say things like this here, okay? I could say, friend, do you really think life is about going to a job that you don't really enjoy, okay? Because when we live in this time and age, we don't have to go to a job that we don't really enjoy, okay? Or I could say, do you really want to start a family and provide for them, yet always be out there working your whole life, 40 hours a week till you're like 65 and have no life? Things I'm going to share with you, my friend. You might have to work hard now, but later on, next 5 years, the next 10 years, you're going to have better choices. You're going to have a better lifestyle. You're going to have more time that you can do things that you want to do, my friend, okay? Or I could even say, do you like the sound of working your whole life for a paycheck to build someone else's dream while they get rich? My friend, I could say things like that there, but I don't want to hurt your feelings, okay? Because now, that would be harsh, but unfortunately, that could be the harsh reality. And why? That's okay, because plenty of people do that, okay? Plenty of people go about their lives and do these things, and that's what the most majority of people do, okay? But the truth really is, plenty of people are living unhappy, unfulfilled, and how can I say it, depressing lives because they never make a decision to become rich. Okay, my friend? Okay? Most people don't. Is it going to be easy? Heck no. You'll probably want to cry. You're probably going to get super frustrated, my friend, doing this here. And why? Well, ask yourself, why is it not working? Okay? But most people will give up. Okay? And you don't want to be like most people. 96% of people won't do this. 90% of people won't even entertain this idea. They're happy. And that's good. Okay? But for me, I know that I want to do more. I don't know about you, my friend, but I don't want to do them things that I just mentioned to you there. I want to go to the next level. Do you know what I mean? So they can go on and do this here and continue getting what they're getting, okay? And if they're happy with that, more to them, okay? Okay? If you just decide this, what I want, this is the price I'm going to pay, okay? You just decide what it is that you want, okay? your perfect day, what it is, what's that like, no limits, who are you with, what you're doing things with, and decide what that is that you really want. Then you decide what the price is that you're going to pay for that, okay? Because there's always a price that you're going to pay. You can't just sit and like wish and hope and think that things are going to happen, because things don't happen unless you do something, okay? So the price that you're willing to pay, you want to put in the work for a few years so you can create your own destiny, my friend. You can create something completely different than what we've been taught and learned and programmed to think like. You can do something completely different, and this is what the internet has opened up for you, okay? So you can see here, I'm going to share you this 2 different types of mindsets, and it's like a story, and you could imagine this here, okay? There's 2 types of people, okay, and they both have this bed, okay, and they both have the exact same opportunities, okay. Now imagine they're in this bed, one of the guys are in this bed, and the bed is far too small for him, okay, and one of 2 things is going to happen, okay. The mindset of guy 1, he's going to be in the small bed that he doesn't like yet he keeps pulling back his blanket, rolls over and gets comfortable, okay, and he accepts the fact that his bed's too small. Alright, then you've got mindset 2, and the guy says, heck with this bed's too small for me, I need a bigger bed. Do you know what I mean? So what does he do? He goes out and he gets himself a bigger bed, my friend, alright? He doesn't settle. Where do you think you are, my friend? I'm asking you this question. Where do you think you are in the mindset? Are you in a bed that's too small for you, that you're getting comfortable with and you're just conforming? Or are you in a bed that's too small for you and you're like, man, I need a bigger bed? Okay, so I've built something really cool for you, my friend, and this is in the first video, and really what I'm going to share with you here is the basis of all this whole program, okay, and it's really important that you do this here. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go and check in your own time a link that's called CarmenLimitless.com/dream-big, and when you go to that link, you're going to see a whole lot of messages, like a whole lot of mindset stuff that you should really be listening to every single day, that's going to help you go from the 96 of where everybody else is and getting what everybody else is getting, and help you think differently than most people think, because there's messages in there that tell you that when you want to become successful, you take a look at what everybody else is doing and you do the complete opposite, and more than likely you're going to become a massive success. Like, there's messages in like that, they're all throughout it, even better ones. And what you want to do is you want to listen to these types of messages every single day, so it gets you thinking differently. So when someone says, you know, oh, you've been working really hard, you need to take a break, things got there, really you don't need them messages, my friend, okay? You want someone who's in your corner, pushing you more and pushing you harder, telling you, no, that was good, but you could have done it better, you know, and encourage you to work, like, to not work harder, but be more productive and be more better at your work, so that you can produce better results with your actions and things like that there. And this is the type of messages that's going to help you to do that. So you're going to want to make sure and check out CarmenLimitless.com/dream-big. Full of resources I got there. I am constantly updating it, and I listen to these types of things every single day myself as well. So if you really want to have a winning mindset, I would encourage you, my friend, to go and listen to them messages every single day, like I do for myself, and it's really going to help you with your mindset on when something bad happens in your business and you start to get frustrated and you're like, why isn't this working? It's going to help you to get through them times, and those times are what's going to make you, my friend, okay? So with this whole idea for creating your perfect day, my friend, okay, you're going to be thinking and listening to these things with your perfect day and your goal card and what you want to build and create. But you really don't want to build a business, you want to create that lifestyle, isn't it, my friend? You do. Really, it's the lifestyle. So by setting a goal, and what we're going to be covering coming up in the next seven videos, and a couple of bonus videos I'm going to do as well, is just a means to an end to your perfect day. And this was it, my friend, okay? So like I said, there's going to be 7 more videos coming out, and this was the setting the stage for the complete whole video series that's coming out, and you're going to want to watch them coming up, and keep an eye out for them. And I'm going to be emailing you, sending you an email when the next one's out, and the next one is the secret blueprint for internet marketing, and I'm going to be sharing that with you in the next video. So you're going to want to watch out for that there. Once you've done this exercise, you've got plenty of time to do it, things like that there, and you're going to want to keep an eye out for the email. I'm going to send you an email about the secret internet marketing blueprint, my friend, and this is what I had for you, my friend, in this video. Also, like always, I'm going to leave you a link to your resource that's below, so you want to make sure and do these, write down your 3 things for your perfect day. Then you're going to go in your own time and make sure and listen to the messages that's on CameronLimitless.com/dream-big. Okay, and as always, like I says, if you're committed to your future and you want to discover the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint, I'm going to leave the link to register below, and you can go there and have a look and register for it, my friend. And what you're going to go and get there is you can instantly learn from my mistakes and fast track your awareness to this whole online game, and at a fraction of the price that it cost me to learn all this stuff, my friend. It's going to help you with so much speed. It's going to be helping you with so much speed at a fraction of the cost that it cost me, and you can get all that there from the link below, my friend. I'll see you again in the next video. Make sure and watch out for it. Have a great one, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.